Hey Mike, this is TJ with your packaging video here really quick for these replacement parts for your Kshatriya. So it even comes with the whatchamacallit, jeez, if I can focus here, the screw covers or whatever for it, which is really cool. So, but there you go, there's that. Just putting in some plastic wrap here. Inside of the tiny box it goes. Jimmy, what's that all about? Michael McLaughlin, 25 Fairmont Avenue, Wakefield, Massachusetts, 01880 9400 1096 9993 8764 This will go out tomorrow, the 25th of September 2019. Thanks.